Have you ever wondered how some people seem to launch AI projects overnight with perfect models, spotless data, and clever automation ticking away in the background? Let me show you what they're using. Alright, folks, what if I told you there was a guaranteed way to get your AI up and running? Now, you might be thinking, is this actually possible? Well, that's Paradigm AI for you. You can get everything sorted in one place. You come in with different solutions, different ideas. You can do everything from recruiting, consultant, finance to sales. You can set up a product, an assistant, workflows. So what does this actually do? Paradigm AI is an all-in-one AI workspace, which means you can do everything right here. Close all those tabs. This is made for creators, developers, and other businesses. It lets you build, test, and deploy AI all in one spot. So instead of having one AI for agents and another for dashboards, it does the lot right here. So everything happens here in a tidy browser-based dashboard. There's no need for local installs. You don't have to put anything on your computer. There's no complicated setup. You can think of it as your command center with smart workflows. Feel like you make brilliant content, but it's getting lost in the YouTube algorithm? You want to shoot to the top quickly. You want to absolutely own your niche. Let me introduce you to UT Ranker and show you how it's done. First up, open an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history clean. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for a few terms here. Let's try a proxy for you, and you can see I'm right at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video's right at the top, and that's all down to the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Head over to yutranker.net, where visibility actually delivers real results. Let's get back to the video. This is a brilliant feature for AI agents. You can see the AI agent builder right here. So you got a work along assistant where you can see all the info, the columns, the queries, how it's all working. Now, an agent specifically is here to help you with natural language tasks, automation, even tool integration. Each agent is fully customizable, so you can decide how it behaves and what it does. So not only can your AI assistant handle that, it can also do emails, spreadsheets, the whole lot. And the best bit is that teams can work together on a different dashboard with AI projects at the same time. So with most applications, you're stuck when they say, hey, I need to do multiple tasks. Not here. When you're ready, you can deploy your agents straight into production. It takes care of everything, scaling, API keys, the lot. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. You can either log in with Google here, and I'll just show you what it looks like inside. So here you can see inside, you got your different templates right here. You got your emails. You can see the templates right here, along with the information. You can also start a new sheet here if it's completely untitled and get it up and running. Also, I can have multiple workspaces and it's dead simple. So that's basically it. Paradigm AI also comes with built-in analytics, so you can track how your agents are performing, how they're going. So that was just a quick look at Paradigm AI. Now, it can do heaps more than what we've seen here. So you can do just about anything you want. Whatever you can think of, you can do it in Paradigm. It also integrates with Slack, Notion, Zapier, all the big names. So if you've been looking for a way to go from just having an idea in your head to actually building a working AI product without needing a whole dev team, well, here you go. Check out Paradigm's AI today. Build your first agent and see what's possible when everything just works together. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, hit subscribe, tap the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.